Have you ever said, that movie was nice? But what kind of nice? Funny? Exciting? Boring? That one small word that makes your sentence clearer and more interesting is called an adjective. And today, I'll show you exactly how adjectives work without boring grammar rules. Let's make English easier. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells us what kind, how many, which one. For example, a beautiful hat, 16 candles, a big black car. Important rule: adjectives do not describe verbs or adverbs. They only describe nouns. Let's break them down one by one. Descriptive adjectives. These describe how something looks, feels, or seems. Examples: a handsome man, a horrible dog, the scariest villain. This is the most common type of adjective. Proper adjectives. These come from proper nouns, like places or people. Examples: Russian newspaper, Haitian food, Victorian England. These adjectives show origin or relation. Comparative adjectives, used when comparing two things. Examples: older, bigger, better, happier. Often ends with er or uses more. Superlative adjectives, used to compare three or more things. Examples: the best movie, the highest mountain, the oldest sister. Always use the before superlatives. Possessive adjectives. These show ownership. Examples: my, your, his, her, their. Compound adjectives, made from two or more words, usually with hyphens. Examples: happy-go-lucky, never-ending, well-known. These add more detail in one adjective. Demonstrative adjectives, used to point at something. Examples: this, that, these, those. Example sentence: this watch is cheaper than that one. Participle adjectives. Adjectives ending in ed or ing. Examples: bored, exciting, amazing. Example: the bored children waited. Intensifiers and mitigators. These make adjectives stronger or weaker. Examples: very, really, extremely, quite, enough. Examples: it's very interesting, he's old enough to drive. Comparison of adjectives. Some adjectives are irregular. Quick thinking question. Which adjectives show origin or relation? What is the sentence pattern for predicate adjectives? If this video made adjectives clear and easy, like the video, comment one adjective you learned today, and subscribe for more simple English lessons.